back to the blood clot channel. In today's video I will be getting my clutch replaced on this 2019 Kenworth T680 MX13 EPA 17. Stay tuned. So in case you're wondering why I'm getting my clutch replaced, upon driving when I'm on the load, on the higher gears like 9th gear, 10th gear, when I floor the accelerator it would slip. So I've been driving manual for a while in regular cars, SUVs, and that's when you know your clutch is due for a change. Also on this truck, the clutch itself, it's a self-adjusting clutch, and there is a mechanism that tells you the life of the clutch. So when it's new, it points to the new, and when it's time to replace, it points to replace, and that's where the mechanism is at right now. So it's time to replace this clutch. And bear in mind, this truck has 909,000 miles on it. I got it at 300,000, so it's well due for a clutch job. So guys, I came all the way to Florida to get this job done because sometime in the past my carrier bearing went out and called roadside, and the mechanic did such a good job, I opted to use him as a mechanic. So this went out some time ago, so that's how I end up in Florida getting a clutch job. So far the drive shaft is off, and I had to take apart my lithium bank because some of the wires were running across the transmission itself. So this is my lithium bank, still going two plus years, and I'll give you an update on the system. It's going good. I have heating pads in it for the winter, still going strong. And also had to assist. I'm just assisting, I'm not doing the job itself. I don't mind as long as the truck is fixed. So these were the wires I had to move for, so they were running across to the lithium bank. And yeah, I'm just waiting for him to take out the transmission so we can take the flywheel to get turned at a shop instead of buying a new flywheel as well. If I have to, I'm just going to buy a new flywheel. So yeah, that's where we're at so far. There it is, guys. The transmission is separated from the engine. It's getting ready to take off the clutch and the flywheel. So So I have to remove the exhaust pipe clearance. So that's it, guys. He got both of them out, and he's saying that I got the full life out of this clutch. So yeah, 900,000 miles. This is what the clutch looks like. So time to put in new. Yo. As you can see, guys, it's completed. Drive shaft is in, exhaust pipe is in. Everything is back in. So yeah, guys, it has been successful. Started the truck, went through all the gears, make sure everything worked, the iron low switch and everything. So yeah, everything is back together. Time to go on a test drive. So yeah, brand new clutch, pressure plate, choke bearing, pilot bearing, the whole yard. So yeah, it's back in, guys. So guys, I got the clutch replaced on my truck, and it has been 3 weeks or 4 weeks since it has been replaced, and I can tell you my experience. Within the first week, the clutch pedal, it grabs very aggressive at the highest point possible, and that's when you're moving off or if you're backing. So if you're moving off in first gear or second gear, it grabs very high, and when you're reversing the second week, it kind of toned down a little, and by the third week it is smooth. Also, it is much smoother when I'm double clutching comparing to when I'm floating, and I think it has to do with me replacing the transmission fluid as well. So the clutch that I used was there's a part number. It's a self-adjusting clutch, and I bought it at the Kenworth dealer in Orlando, and the price for the clutch itself was $989.53. I also had to get the bearing, the pilot bearing, that was $27.21, and a brake clutch that was also $41.53. These are the part number. Also, one of the clamp for the exhaust, it we had to cut it off, so we had to replace that. So that was another $16. The labor for the clutch. So the price for the labor will depend on which state you're in, if you use a dealership or if you go to like a mom and pop repair. But I use AD&M diesel repair, and shout out to Sheldon because he's generous, his price is fair comparing to getting the quote from other places, and he went far and beyond bringing me to the dealership to get the clutch and other parts. Also, I had to get the flywheel resurfaced, and that was also another 241. But bear in mind, if you're planning to get a new flywheel, it's gonna be over $700. So shout out to Sheldon at AD&M Diesel Repair. I can recommend him. He does a very good job, and his customer service is 10 out of 10. So if you had found anything useful or anything informative or anything that will help you with replacing your clutch in your manual transmission, please share, like the video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, just keep trucking. Peace. I'm out.